Hello, welcome back to school. My name is Hyunju Cho and I'm very excited to have your child in my class. I wanted to record a little video today for you because unlike other years, parents are not allowed to be on campus and you may wonder what a classroom may look like this year. So in this video, I'll show you a picture of drop-off and pickup location and classroom, and also I'll give you some information about Google Classroom, ClassDojo, and Back to School Night. First, here are some pictures of our drop-off and pickup location. You may drop off your child here, and your child will walk up the stairs and follow along the fence to get to room 15. Along the way, they will pass the wall ball area. Then finally, they will see the portable building. Yes, room 15 is the very first room facing the blue tables. Now, here are some pictures of room 15. Students have their own seats and are provided with basic classroom supplies such as pencil holders, hand sanitizers, and tissues. And this is the area for the students to turn in their homework assignments. Students also have their own cubbies where they can keep their binders, textbooks, and other belongings. Thanks to those of you who donated classroom supplies as well as student supplies. If your child has a Chromebook to bring to school this year, please note that students are responsible for charging their Chromebooks on a daily basis. At this moment, we are checking how many Chromebooks we need for our class. And if your child does not have a Chromebook, the school will provide one for your child to use at school. Now, let me tell you about Google Classroom. As Google Classroom is our major communication for class homework assignments and daily agenda, please have your child join our Google Classroom as soon as possible. The class code for your student to join is ZROS3GC. When I see the class roster of our Google Classroom, and if I see your child's name, then I see that your child has already joined my Google Classroom. Now, ClassDojo. I'll be using ClassDojo for positive reinforcement, and your child will receive Dojo points for their good behaviors and hard work. If you are new to Pomeroy or need help with the ClassDojo, please let me know, and I am happy to help you with that. Finally, Back to School Night. Our Back to School Night is Thursday, August 26th, 2021 from 6:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. And I will go over the curriculum and other details. Please mark your calendar so that we can meet virtually via Google Meet. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all there. Bye.